It is heartbreaking to see.
So hard to watch.
And especially, I know for you and I, it was very difficult to get to work today because of everything that's happening on the Vine Street Expressway. The big question that everyone wants answered is, when are we going to start to see these floodwaters recede?
Well, we're already starting to see them fall off their crests, which is good news. The larger rivers have already crested. They're starting to drop back down. They're still at major flood stage. Let's take a look at a couple of what we call hydrographs. This is what you see here, and it looks kind of like a mess, so I'll break it down for you. This is the Schuylkill River at Norristown, which is still in major flood stage. But if you look at that blue line, you can see where it peaked. That was earlier today. It peaked at about 26.85 feet. The record was 25 feet, so it was a record crest. Right now, though, we're at 21.91 feet. And as we head toward tonight and into tomorrow morning, this is tomorrow 3 a.m., we expect this river to go below minor flood stage and by tomorrow afternoon be completely out of flood stage altogether. So the water's receding. Here's a look at the 30th Street station, 30th Street Schuylkill River area. You can see it has reached its crest. It crested earlier today at about 16.28 feet, just below the record, and then dropping back. Now we're sitting right about 14 feet. So we're still in major flood stage, about to drop back into moderate flood stage. But again, by tomorrow morning, back to action stage, and by tomorrow afternoon, that river will have receded and no additional flooding is expected. So the worst of the flooding has ended, but it takes a long time for these floodwaters to recede, especially in the wake of this much rain. Where you see those darker colors, we got 9 to 10 inches of rain, and even around Philadelphia, many spots picking up 5, 6 inches, and that just led to all of the tributaries flooding, feeding into the Schuylkill River, which was flooding as well, and this has caused massive amounts of flooding. We've never seen anything like the Vine Street Expressway completely covered in water like it was today. This is, again, hard to see, but we have a bunch of tornado damage surveys going on across the region right now. We've just gotten word that a 5th has been confirmed. So 5 confirmed so far. Only 3 of them have been rated as of now. An EF2 that was in the Montco area around Horsham, an EF1 in Buckingham, and an EF1 near Edgewater Park. The tornado in Mullica Hill has not been rated yet, and there was a confirmed tornado in Oxford-Chester County, also not yet rated. There's some speculation that Mullica Hill may be an EF4 tornado. That's speculation, but if that were to be the case, we don't have any EF4 tornadoes in New Jersey history since records have been kept, and looking at that damage, that's like nothing we've seen here in this area, at least as long as I can remember, and I'm sure you as well. Yuki and Jessica will send it back over to you.
Okay, thank you. Our tri-state area neighbors urgently need your help right away. CBS 3 invites you to reach out to the American Red Cross. You can visit redcross.org or call 1-800-RED-CROSS. You can also text Red Cross to 90999 to make a $10 donation. Hope you can help.